Imagine a car that could save your life before an accident even happens, or one that literally lifts itself to absorb a side collision. Before Siri or Alexa graced our homes, this car was already conversing with its drivers. Today, we're going to decode the evolution, the performance, and the marvels of this automotive legend. You'll see how this car has consistently been leagues ahead, setting gold standards of luxury and breaking its own records in terms of safety. So whether you're a car aficionado, a tech enthusiast, or someone who appreciates masterful engineering, strap in. We're about to unravel the legacy, the innovations, and the sheer brilliance of the Mercedes S-Class. The Mercedes S-Class journey began in 1972 with the W116, and ever since, each new model's been a playground for groundbreaking technology. Take, for example, the W126 launched in 1981. It was the first car to have a driver's side airbag. Not only that, this model was a marvel of engineering with lighter all-alloy V8 engines and a design specifically meant to improve crash safety. The W126 is a legend in its own right, lasting a record 12 years in production. And here's a quick fact. Way back in 1978, this S-Class was the first car to introduce the anti-lock braking system. This feature revolutionized road safety and set the benchmark for every vehicle you see on the road today. There are so many fascinating things about this iconic car, and we'll get into that juicy stuff soon. Then came the W140 in 1991. If you ever wondered where voice-controlled systems in cars started, well, this model introduced linguatronic technology. It wasn't just about voice commands. The W140 was a heavyweight when it came to tech. It had Electronic Stability Program (ESP) and was the first in the S-Class series to boast a 12-cylinder engine, making it the brand's most potent passenger car back then. Fast forward to 1998, and the W220 makes its entrance. It took safety and convenience to the next level. With features like 8 airbags, pre-safe protection systems, and even an automatic child seat recognition system, it was ahead of its time. What's more, this was the era when the first official AMG S-Class, the S55 AMG, made its roaring debut with a 500-horsepower supercharged engine. In 2005, the W221 was unveiled, bigger and loaded with assistance systems like infrared night view and lane keeping assist. It was also the first luxury car to sport a hybrid drive, marking a significant step towards sustainability. The more recent models have only upped the ante. The 223 series, which launched in 2020, is a tech paradise. Not to forget, it's the first production car with rear seat airbags. From revolutionizing safety features to setting the gold standard for luxury and tech, the Mercedes S-Class has always been leagues ahead. Now, it would be unfair if we don't get into the nitty-gritty details of today's S-Class. The 2023 Mercedes S-Class comes in a variety of flavors to suit your need for speed and luxury. Opt for the S500 and you're harnessing a 429 horsepower from a turbocharged inline-6 engine. Choose the S580 and you're commanding a brawny 496 horsepower V8. Both engines come paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a perfect blend of performance and luxury. But for those with an eco-conscious streak, the S580e plug-in hybrid offers a whopping 510 horsepower, marrying conventional and electric power. And the driving experience? With air suspension and an available curve function, it's equal parts grace and gusto. But first, let's take a look at the exterior. On the outside, the S-Class radiates sophistication. The sleek grille and advanced LED lights catch the eye immediately. But it doesn't end there. The panoramic roof and flush door handles ooze class, while digital lights amp up safety by displaying road warnings and highlighting pedestrians. If the word sporty resonates with you, the AMG line variant, with its assertive front and reduced chrome, is your go-to, a design that's not just stylish but remarkably aerodynamic too. Inside, the S-Class is a technological marvel. Numerous screens dominate, with a giant touchscreen in the middle stealing the show. There's also a head-up display that brings real-time navigation to your eye level. As for comfort, premium materials and expansive space make every journey a pleasure. The rear isn't just spacious, it's opulent. Options like power-adjustable reclining seats with massage functions redefine luxury. As for your investment, the S500 luxury line kicks things off at $113,200. If the allure of the AMG aesthetics tempts you, prepare to shell out $116,450. And for those yearning for the epitome of luxury, the executive line stands tall at $130,150. But remember, each upgrade isn't just about prestige, but the added features that elevate the driving experience. In the grand scheme, when stacking up against rivals like the Audi A8 and BMW 7 Series, the S-Class does command a premium. But then again, luxury has its price. Now we've talked numbers and we've talked luxury, but what you're about to discover is the stuff of legends. Let's reveal the engineering marvels, technological wonders, and design triumphs that you might not know about the S-Class. 12. The S-Class doesn't shy away from offering the best visual experience. With more than 55 inches of screen space, the cabin feels like a tech haven. The main attraction? A 12.8-inch OLED infotainment display that's 64% larger than its predecessor. The driver's display stands out with its unique 3D mode, achieved through an eye-tracking system. And for those at the back, a pair of 11.6-inch screens and a removable 7-inch tablet ensure they're not left out. Oh, and let's not forget the augmented reality head-up display, which seamlessly merges digital content with the real world. 11. Ambiance is essential in luxury cars. The S-Class boasts an incredible 263 LEDs in its long wheelbase variant. Beyond just creating mood, these LEDs play a crucial role in the car's safety system. They utilize CAN-bus technology, allowing for captivating transitions and lighting effects that enhance both aesthetics and safety. 10. When you think of a powerhouse like the Mercedes-AMG S63, drifting might come to mind. But here's a twist. The S63 is designed to keep those drift fantasies at bay. With the same 4MATIC Plus driveline as the E63S, Mercedes had the capability but chose the path of elegance over excitement. The reason? The S-Class is the epitome of sophistication, and a drift mode just doesn't fit its character. 9. The S-Class's approach to lighting is nothing short of revolutionary. Move past traditional bulbs and you find LED clusters that are not just bright but smart. They come equipped with 2.6 million micro mirrors. Why so many? It's to refract and direct light with a precision that was previously thought unattainable. The digital light modules take the humble headlight and transform it into a dynamic tool. Depending on external conditions, from fog to well-lit roads, these lights adjust their intensity and focus. But that's not all. They can even project symbols onto the road. 8. Where does the S-Class shine the brightest? Look towards the New York tri-state area. A staggering 20% of all S-Class models sold in the U.S. find their home here. But that's not all. The love for this car is so profound that the Manhattan dealership, a hub for Mercedes enthusiasts, handles 41,000 service appointments annually. This isn't just a car, it's a cultural icon in the region. 7. The S-Class is always keeping an eye on you, quite literally. Overhead cameras monitor your movements, adapting and responding to them. If you're searching in the front passenger seat, a light might helpfully turn on. Or perhaps you'd like to control the rear blind? Just give it a look. 6. A luxury car needs performance to match, and the S-Class delivers. Especially noteworthy are its brakes. The optional carbon ceramic brakes on the S63 and S65 aren't just for regular road use. These are the very brakes used by the formidable Mercedes-AMG GTS safety car. Tested on the intense tracks of Formula One for 3 seasons, they've proven their mettle and reliability. 5. The 2018 S63 showcased the first ever race start, or what is commonly known as launch control, in an S-Class. For a vehicle weighing 4,806 pounds, this feature ensures it can sprint to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.4 seconds. 4. Every luxury car offers comfortable seats, but the S-Class takes seating to the next level. The front seats are engineering marvels in themselves, powered by 19 individual motors. This allows occupants to adjust their seat to fit like a glove, contouring to every curve of the body. There's a choice of fine Lugano and Nappa leather, adding to the tactile experience. And it doesn't end there. 10 different massage functions ensure that even the longest journeys feel relaxing. The back isn't ignored, with heatable headrest cushions offering a warm embrace. 3. The Airmatic air springs can adjust the car's ground clearance based on speed, improving aerodynamics. But the showstopper? If the car senses an imminent side collision, it instantly raises its body, aiming to protect its passengers by focusing the impact on the car's stronger lower regions. Add rear-wheel steering to the mix, and you get a turning circle reduced by almost 2 meters. 2. You might think that this level of luxury would be an indulgence few could afford, but here's an eye-opener. Mercedes has revealed that in the U.S., a staggering 1 in 3 cars priced over $100,000 is from their brand. It's not just about the S-Class, but speaks volumes about the allure of the entire Mercedes lineup, including the elite AMGs and Maybachs. 1. Mercedes has outdone itself with the hybrid variant of the S-Class. It can boast an impressive electric-only range of up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles. While full details of this variant remain a mystery, this range is a remarkable improvement, doubling that of its predecessor. As we wrap up, remember, this iconic vehicle doesn't just set the bar, it is the bar. Whether you're an auto enthusiast, a tech geek, or just someone who enjoys the finer things in life, the Mercedes S-Class is the dream we all didn't know we had, but deep down, secretly yearned for.